What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning into the stream. As you guys can hear, my voice is a little bit better. We'll give you guys a couple seconds to join up on the stream, and then we'll get into a bunch of different stuff. I don't know why I'm laughing right now. Maybe it's the new beat we got here. I'll turn it down in a sec. Shoot. How is everybody doing this afternoon? This is my last day of sleeping in because I need to get better, but next week's gonna be so much better. I'm gonna be up at 10 every day to stream. How's everybody doing today? What's up? What's up? Steven, Mark, Four Seasons, hating FSD. What else is new? That's cool. So we're gonna see. We're gonna take a look at the portfolio, and in about 2 seconds, we'll give you guys a couple more minutes to hit that like button. We already have 44 people, so that's pretty sweet. And yeah, guys, I'm drinking some really strong tea, so this better help me. Yeah, I know, right? Everybody's got this. Everybody's got this annoying cold. I don't know what's going on with it, but we're on the mend. All right, so let's take a look. Just gonna stretch my neck first. All right, Liberty Leaf in the green, the top gainer. 48 North. 48 North. Shout out to Tom the Trader. This stock keeps going up. What's going on, Andrew, Hank, Shano, Mark? Yeah, man. I mean, I am. I'm getting much better. This week started off the worst. I don't even know how I still managed to shoot a video, but the fever's gone. Most of my sore throat's gone. So anyways, we're pretty good. We're pretty good. Green thumb. MYM Nutraceuticals. 63 cents, holding on to those gains. Pure Global Cannabis in the green. Not too many heavy gainers on the day. We've got a lot of stocks pretty much flat. Acreage Holdings. Green Growth, Choom, Suniva in the red. Aphria, Canopy, Kronos. But let's see what's really selling off today. Ooh, I said if Namaste goes below $1, I'd buy it. So I'm going to buy a little more Namaste. Just a tiny position. We're declining another 10%. So this thing's, I mean, who knows? It could take forever to bounce, but definitely got to pick up a tiny bit more Namaste. What's up? What's up, Tom? I managed to always get you now. Let me just load up these comments on my phone. Then I can answer you guys faster while still taking a look at stuff. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. I'm holding FSD so far down now. Everybody wants to hear about ACB. ACB. We'll take a look at Tilray. Tilray is down 3.6%. So, a couple random articles. Ontario adds 3 cannabis suppliers to the Ontario Cannabis Store. Who are they? Has agreements with 35 Health Canada licensed cannabis producers. 23 are headquartered in Ontario. So they have added, I don't know if this is, 48 North is on there, West Coast. Mood, Helmet Head, Pure Sun Farms, Indiva, The Green Organic Dutchman, Acreage Farms, Whistler Medical. With the following companies through a competitive product call. So these must be the 5. T-God's on there. Whistler Medical's on there. That's good for good for Aurora. They just bought them. Acreage Farms. Cool. Are the earnings baked in already? I don't think FSD can go much lower. I hope Cam has a hat trick up his sleeve. Me too. Yeah, so Oxley. Man, these stocks are falling knives with that whole thing. Like FSC's down another 5%, Oxy's down another 5.9%. It's really frustrating. Like we bought a tiny bit of each of those yesterday, but like I said, it's about averaging down. That's our last time averaging down on those ones though. That was with like play money. But I'm gonna quickly just buy a tiny bit of Namaste. Thanks, bro. Yeah, we finally made it to 11K after that YouTube purge. So I just want to quickly go and buy a tiny bit of Namaste stock, probably only like $500. Our initial investment into Namaste was, I forget what it was. I'll have to check. But yeah, I just want to grab a little bit more, just a tiny bit more Namaste, not too much. This is more of a gamble. It's really risky. I don't recommend anybody buying Namaste right now. Sorry guys, I just need to quickly do this. Just as I was waiting for Namaste to dip below a dollar, and now we're at 92 cents, so that's pretty good. I mean, it's not good, but if I'm buying more Namaste, that's where I want to see Namaste at. Just gotta log in here. Sorry. Yes, Namaste is so tempting to trade. I know. It's a tough one. I mean, who knows? We could see a crazy bounce in the future. Namaste. Let's see what the real-time quotes are. 92 cents. Alright, so that means I need to pick up, well, whatever, we'll pick up 600 shares. Whatevs. It's a small trade, but okay. Got $800. Maybe I should. Nah. We'll put. Okay, fine. We'll buy 750 shares. Fine. This is it though. This is it for Namaste. 750 shares, that's it. Oh, shoot. Alright, guys. The trade has been made. So that's it for Namaste. I'm not adding to Namaste anymore. If it goes to 50 cents, I don't care. If it goes to 0 cents, I don't care. I don't think it's going to go to 0 cents, but that's it for Namaste. No more buying of Namaste. All right, guys. See, it just went up because we just bought it. Damn. I'm just kidding. All right, let me load this up on my phone, and then we can get into some more news. We are seeing the stock markets clearly in the red. Like eating Chipotle for a cleanse. Next week, a nice steak. I'm considering entry at 89 cents. Stop at 83. With a vision for a gap fill into $1.36. That'd be nice. I'm thinking Namaste will go to 80 cents. Well, we'll see. Are you buying more Baytex? Not right now. We're not adding to any of our oil and gas picks. Although crude is dipping a little bit, you know, along with the markets. Let's take a look at some oil and gas stocks. Just since you asked that question. Crescent Point's the only one in the green. Baytex, $1.99. Holy smokes, that's cheap. That's crazy. When you say buy, that's sell, right? I don't know, man. I'm not giving investment advice. Don't do your research. Don't follow me, please. I don't have the crystal ball. Damn, look at Baytex. Basically, 52-week low is $1.87. Company's still worth over $1 billion. That's crazy. What the heck? Look at this thing. 2016 lows. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not buying into this, but if I had some spare cash kicking around, it just, I don't know how much lower it can go, but at these levels, $1.99, something changes with oil, we get it back up to $3. That's already 50%. If you're looking for a pure gamble on value stocks, some stocks that have been beaten to crap, Baytex is looking interesting. But no, we got our shopping list, so let's talk about going shopping. Kevin Hughes, I'm back. Kevin from Belgium. What's up, Kevin? Yeah, buddy. ACB. We love ACB too. Damn, EA. Look at EA today, guys. 13%. That was a joke of a sell-off. Damn. Ace Electronic Arts is up. Tetra Biopharma. Anybody who had balls of steel and bought the dip on that one? It's paid off so far. First Mining Gold. Been talking about this stock. In the low 30 cents. We're holding up. We're doing pretty well. It's nice to see. Nutraceuticals. Bought that under 50 cents. So that one's doing good. Brookfield Renewable Energy Partners up 3%. That's what I like to see. First Majestic, Kirkland Gold. Barrick Gold over $18. This is exactly what I like to see. We bought in Barrick for a while, the last couple times, and it's been good. Brookfield Real Estate, just bought that this week. Endeavor Silver, Wheaton Precious Metals, Kinross Gold, Alamos Gold. Inner Pipeline, 10-cent Alibaba, even those are in the green. Cryos Energy Trust, flat on the day at $7.50. We sold that yesterday. Gluskin Chef. Weak. Extendicare, Exchange Income, Sierra Senior Living. Hexo. Hexo goes below $7. We might go shopping. FSD Pharma coming back up. Can we see a green close for FSD Pharma? Is this the last bit of the ridiculous sell-off? So we'll see. Ooh, Aphria Health down 9%. I'm liking this. Been looking for an entry point on Aphria Health. Maybe $2. Okay. Bombardier. No, I would not buy Bombardier. That's just my opinion. I've owned it in the past. I don't like how where the company is. Out of Quebec. Sorry for anybody who's from Quebec. Bunch of BS. Our overprivileged little brother of a province can go away. And I'm a quarter French, so you can call me a hypocrite. Earnings are bad for... ACB down huge today. Currently at 7.50. You can't beat that point. Royal Nickel is holding strong. Yes, I've taken a look at that. I will take a look at that. Even if you missed it, Activision is still an amazing buy right now. Thanks, Ford Frenchies. Maybe buying ACB stock. Barrick has earnings next week. The market should be better with this damn trade war settled. Yeah, Troy, I mean, I couldn't agree more on Quebec and Bombardier. I'm not going to invest in a French company. I hate to say it. That sounds biased. But I am French. Quarter French. But I just... They're lazy. Not French people. Bombardier is lazy and they just keep taking money from the government. Like Bombardier was supposed to fill a whole bunch of contracts and it gets delayed and gets delayed, it gets delayed, and then they waste more and more and more and more money. They keep getting bailed out, and I think it's a joke of a business. But I can't remember if we still own some stock, but nothing against Bombardier. I mean, I think they'll always be there because they'll always be government funded, but I wouldn't buy it. Like I said, I don't mean to offend anybody. If you have Bombardier, it is a Canadian company. Some might say great Canadian company, but just not a big fan, that's all. Yeah, I agree. Bombardier has way too much debt. Like, no, it's just, might be cheap, but it's not something I'm looking to get into. Lithium stocks. Don't know anything about Zyme. Let's see. Wow. A little bit tired, guys. Zyme, what's going on with Zyme? I don't even know what they do, I'm sorry. Specifically pharmaceutical company. Specialty pharmaceutical company. Development of transdermal synthetic cannabinoid treatments. That's pretty cool. Pharmaceuticals, it's one of those sectors that I've never really gotten into or done much research in, to be honest. Like, I'd rather buy a miner, I guess, and have them discover a big reserve of gold than buy a pharma company and have them produce some new drug. But there's obviously some huge winners in the space. What do you think about Yeah, Derek, I am drinking green tea. Aaron, disruptive technologies stock, interactive video. Soon be a Nasdaq stock. Thanks, Joseph. What happened with Halo Labs? What's the deal with Neptune Wellness? I don't know. Can take a quick little look. And then Halo Labs too. And then we're going to take a look at the stock market in general. Just started investing a week ago. Love the channel. Thanks for putting out good information. That's awesome, Josh. Congrats on starting your investment journey. You're getting in at an exciting time. My voice is messed up now. I thought it came back and now it's it's going away. Did someone buy big? Oxley is not a buy. Yeah, Oxley's neutral on that. I mean, we added some to Oxley this week, but just a small portion to average down. Oh, okay. Jeez, all right. That's a little bit better. So I've got a couple more tabs open for you guys. Oh yeah, we're going to take a look at Bear Gold, Brookfield, a bunch of different stuff. We already looked at Baytex. Can you do a live analysis on MLTO? No one on YouTube has done it. Be the first. MLTO. So let's just let's see. Oopsies. MLTO. No volume. Wait, so you guys can't hear me or what? Mark Pepper. Where's Mark Pepper? Shoot. Oh, sorry. I get it. No volume on the stock. Sorry, guys. I'm so foolish. What indexes do you use to buy and sell stocks? Considering to add into the position to average down a bit. Labs. Metafarm. Oh, MTLO. Sorry. MTLO. Interesting. All right, we'll take a quick look. We'll take. Yep, Tom. That's actually a really sweet sector, and it's a niche. A niche of the sector too. Damn, sorry guys. Hit that like button if you want me to get better. So Martello Technologies is Bruce Linton's company. $0.37 on the TSX Venture. Is a Canada-based company engaged in software development in the business sector. Its solutions manage and optimize the performance of real-time services on cloud and enterprise networks and include network performance management software. So it's a tech company. $69 million market cap. They've been around for a long time. Since, wow. What? Up over 11% today, 48% by bar charts. Oh, all right, so we'll take a look at this one later. This is, I'll have to do my research. This chart's all over the place. There's better news on T-God if you want. Said yet. Yes, please. I'd love some news on T-God, so please drop that news. And if they're one of the 5 retailers included in the Ontario Cannabis Store, then I've said that, but please drop the link if there's a link on the full thing, because I'd like to read that. Dogecoin. All right, guys, I want to recap the stock market just a little bit and read one article and then talk about gold for a bit. So the indexes are down. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ. Dow's leading the way down because of those trade war sensitive stocks. Wall Street fell on Friday as lack of progress on the U.S. trade deal spooked investors. Oh my gosh, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. With less than 1 month to go before the U.S. increases tariffs on Chinese goods, investors remain cautious as U.S. President Donald Trump said he does not plan to meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping by the March 1st deadline. Investors are experiencing another hiccup in the trade talks, and with the March deadline approaching fast, they are being a tad cautious. The market was just waiting for a chance to sell off. Come on. In 1 second. Amazon slumped 2.5%. Tesla dipped 1.6%. Twitter down. Semiconductor. Micron is down 3%. Coty jumped 26% after the beauty company posted higher than expected earnings. Mattel increased 25%. What the heck? In commodities, gold futures rallied 0.25%. Crude was flat and the dollar index inched down 0.1%. Oregano oil drops? That sounds pretty interesting. Do I put it in water or what? What's up with that? Why is ACB losing me boku bucks? Black tie gala coming up. Cannabis science. What's happening to Namaste? Alright, we'll check can.cn. Sorry, Steve. Had to get around to that. Well, I think this stock's on fire, but I'd be cautious about buying now. All right, David, we'll check that. We'll check for that article in 2 seconds. Who knows anything about Heritage Cannabis? Because I do not know enough about the company, but they're on a nice run. Can definitely Google it. Let's see here. And the $40 million press release. Heritage Cannabis was a power keg in search of a match for the regular appearances by company CEO. Blah, 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 blah. Midas letter based. And willing investors amplifying the message online. Can was positioned to move. All the company needed was an opportune message to set everything in motion. Before the market on February 5th, Heritage Cannabis issued a press release which brought everything together. The company announced the expansion of its extraction capacity with the order of 3 new Vitalis extraction systems expected to arrive before month's end. One system installed is completed and the necessary Health Canada licenses obtained. Heritage Cannabis will become among the largest Canadian processing company in terms of extraction capacity. That sounds interesting. Good news for Heritage Cannabis. What's up, James? So let's go back to it. Probably has more room to run. Looks pretty good. Dodge made me $5 today. ACB lost 50. Damn, oregano. Okay, so oregano oil. I will try that. Thank you. Stop harassing my family. George. What are you talking about, buddy? Pros are taking profits on ACB. They will buy or sell after results of earnings on Monday. Psychotic. Wait a sec. Who is George? George Jack. Oregano oil works great, especially just as you're starting to feel it coming on. Dilute it with juice and chug it back. Alright. Look at crypto today. Alright, I will. Should I put all my money in Kronos? Okay. Lit ETH and Bitcoin. Took profits on ACB after stopping out. So what's today's investment? Hey Tom, today's investment was Namaste. Because I said I'm buying under $1. So we could go lower. I think so. Potentially. 80 cents. 86 cents could happen, but we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, I just wanted to take a look at a couple individuals. Barrick Gold Corp running again, back up to over 18 bucks. Really happy with how this stock's been doing recently. Looks like it's gonna reverse the trend. I'd like to see Barrick over 20 bucks. Looks like it could happen. Not too far away. Brookfield Real Estate Services. This stock's doing very well. Lots of room to run and pays a hefty dividend. Cryos Energy Trust, basically flat, no volume. The stock got bought out yesterday. That's what I like to see. FSC Pharma down to 28 cents. What else is new? What else is new, guys? FSC Pharma, when's it gonna stop? When's the pain gonna stop? At 27 cents? At 26.5 cents? Hard to say. Neptune Wellness Solutions, flat on the day. Don't want to look at that. MYM Nutraceuticals. Is this company starting a comeback? I guess we'll find out. The last time we bought it was at 49 cents. Robinhood is crashing. Idle looking at Namaste. Spell checks mistakes. I'm tempted on Ford long term. Is ACB a buy today, or is ER going to be bad for Monday? I don't know what to say. I'm long on ACB. Bought at the perfect time. I like Valen too. We're long ACB. We're not getting rid of ACB, and we're holding it through earnings. But that's just us. Didn't buy or sell any ACB before ahead of earnings. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna go to the live chat now and find that article. David. Okay. Yes. This is what I was talking about. The Green Organic Dutchman secures supply agreement with the province of Ontario. Is pleased to announce that it has secured a cannabis supply agreement with the Ontario Cannabis Retail Corporation. So that was one of the 5 companies listed here on the list of companies to have new supply agreements. Whistler Medical, Indiva, the Green Organic Dutchman, and Acreage Farms. So Whistler Medical got its agreement with the Ontario Cannabis Store. That's really good. Since ACB just bought them. Sweet. Yeah, so we can look at Kryptos. Are they finally making a move? Jeez, look at some of those smaller cap coins. Even Litecoin's killing it today. I don't follow any of these smaller coins. There's just way too many, guys. Who has time to keep track of those? Bitcoin, Ripple, and Ether up 6, and 12%. So yeah, green day for Kryptos, but that's not like we haven't seen that before. Namaste. Gold rises as US-China miss summit, weekly loss likely. The only trouble is the dollar is rallying on that too, as the greenback has become a hedge to trade troubles as well, capping gold's safe haven potential. Both bullion and gold futures were on a positive side of 1300 for the first time in 6 sessions on Friday. So gold's holding up there, so it's good to see. I mean, if the quarter is good, we're expecting a pop. At this point, I just want good earnings, but we'll see exactly what happens to ACB. We'll definitely be doing some live streaming for you guys by then. I should be much better. My voice and stuff. Have a rest this weekend. Do you think that FSC wanted out of their deal with Oxley because they can get a better deal elsewhere? It's a tough question. I really don't know. Both those companies are interesting, and after that news, after the news broke, that was our first time to take a position in FSD, so I've been looking at FSD for a long time, and it just keeps getting cheaper. So I think now was the time. Oh my gosh. Jeez. So I'm going to pre-record a few videos for this weekend after this, despite my throat. We'll do one on ACB and we'll do one on like top 3 small cap cannabis stocks. Oh, top 3 undervalued cannabis stocks for 2019. How's that sound? Top 3 cheap stocks for 2019. Okay, so trending stocks, of course, Apple's number 1. Google, Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, Nvidia, EA's on there. Petrobras, Petróleo Brasileiro, Petrobras. Don't know how to say that word. Crude is eking its way into the green. Gold and silver are in the green as well. Nice. Closing off that. Okay, guys. Let's take a look at the sector one more time. That is not the sector that we want. Biggest decliners are Namaste, Leafy Health, Matic Enterprises, Oxley, Emblem. Even NBev's declining quite a bit today. Wayland. Kron. International Canna Brands. 11 cents now. Aurora. Back under $9. $10. It's hard to say. Hard to say right now. Green Growth. Biggest gainer, Liberty Leaf. What a joke of a stock. That's by far our worst performing stock. Liberty Leaf Holdings. I don't see any no, we didn't talk about the earnings call. Sorry, buddy. And top 3 senior living for long term. There's a question I can answer. Thank you. So, if we are looking at senior homes or REITs or retirement REITs, currently we like Chartwell Retirement Residences, Northwest Healthcare Properties, if it's on here. 1 second. Northwest Healthcare Properties REIT. Really like this one, and then Sienna Senior Living. They have some really good quality assets. Chartwell, Sierra Senior Living, and Northwest Healthcare. I also like Welltower, but the stock's way too expensive anymore. We hold it, but just not buying more of it. I think there's cheaper stuff out there. So guys, how long has it been so far? Alright, it's been 38 minutes. So, yeah, I think FSD did want out of that Oxy deal. It could have been their CEO that was keeping it together because they fired him and terminated the deal at the same time, right? So there could have been something in there for his benefit. You never know who's paid off, right? In this day and age, and still so much going on behind the scenes. NBev having a tough week. How much further do you see this dropping? Alright, this is the last stock we're going to look at. Just as my voice is kind of begging for a break. Huh, that's looking pretty good actually. NBev has been... At this point, I'd wait for 5. I'd wait for the low 5s. Just my opinion on the chart. I don't know. NBev's always been kind of pricey for me. I'd feel a little bit better at 5. Low 5s. To start in NBev. And I'd be prepared to buy back in the 3s too. But personally wouldn't buy NBEV over 6 right now, at least. If you're not an ACB under 10, go buy right now. Natural shrimp. They don't have it on here. Oopsies. This stock's crazy, man. $0.20 all the way up to 62 cents. Thanks a lot, Dustin. Was that in my live stream or was that in a Market Minute video? It's all about patience and accumulating and not getting your emotions involved, because everybody wants to win and make money. And you see some guy makes a really good trade and he makes a ton of money and you want to do that every time, but it's just like you don't know how many times he's lost. Traders only like to talk about their wins, all that kind of stuff. That's cool. Like, if I'm buying something, I don't know. Now, I've done this long enough where if I'm buying something, I'll research the company. Obviously, you can't anticipate everything, like Namaste, for example. Even if you've done the most amount of research, and you couldn't have predicted that Namaste's CEO was gonna be fired and all that kind of stuff. And that's why you diversify too. I mean, set aside X amount of dollars per company. And at this point, when I make a new investment, I mean, unless it's into like a huge, massive utility company that I'm fairly confident that it's not going to go to zero. Unless, of course, some California wildfires happen. Like that one stock, but that barely ever happens. But what I'm saying is, especially with these risky cannabis stocks, a lot of the stuff I'm investing now, like I'm willing to lose it all, or at least a huge portion of it. Not that that's the goal, but you just gotta have that mindset, and then you just need to be willing to risk X amount of dollars, and if it doesn't work out, don't keep adding to it. Move on to the next trade. Be patient. Trade on a percentage basis. Average down, but don't get caught in a hole. Like I said with Namaste, already down a couple grand on it. So we added this is the last time, and now it can do whatever it does. So if it goes back up to $2, awesome. If it goes to 50 cents and then gets bought out, it is what it is. But yeah, patience, patience, patience. It's all about patience. Yeah, so guys, that's pretty much it. Oh, shoot. Very cool that the Ontario Cannabis Store has added these 5 producers. Wow. 48 North Cannabis added for accessory suppliers. That's cool. That supports the stock. But yeah, guys, I'm going to head out now. I'm just going to take a quick little rest my throat. I got to shoot another couple of videos. I'm going to start shooting at 2, shoot a couple more videos for you guys. Make sure to take some honey and all that kind of stuff. And then I'll shoot some good vids for the weekend. I'll do a live stream this weekend too. And as long as my throat is back to 100%, then the normal schedule will go for Monday to Friday of next week. And we'll be covering all the cannabis earnings because like it's going to get hot soon. Stuff's going to pick up again. So yes, tune into my live stream. Potentially, if I have time, I'll do one on Saturday, but for sure, potentially 2 live streams on Sunday. We'll see. Kind of want to do one like mid-afternoon and then one later at night on Sunday. We'll also have a video to drop for you guys. And then our market minutes today at the end. That's a hard question. I don't tell anybody to buy any stocks. There's stuff to take a look at. I mean, I feel bad, guys, when you ask me what should I buy, but I'm not going to tell you what to buy for legal reasons. To purchase capitals for education, information, and entertainment purposes only. Do your research. Do your due diligence. And don't buy anything because you heard it here or I said it. Yeah, Tom, let's do another live stream next week. That was a very successful live stream, and I loved it. So, totally down to do that again. Yeah, I hit the sauna yesterday, so that was nice. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, just want to thank everybody for tuning in. Hit that like button, guys, if you didn't hit the like button already, to support my stream. And let's hope for more green to come. It's going to be exciting. We're going to have earnings coming up, so let's see what happens. All right, guys, for now, I'm out. Take a quick rest. I'll catch you guys at 5 o'clock in my next video. Have a good one.